Stop.
Pull
Okay,
it back
guys.
around
So
and
let's
just say, hey.
Yeah, love. It's not funny. The honey roasted mustard.
Honey roasted barbecue?
But it's not barbecue.
Is it honey roasted barbecue?
Yeah.
It is? I thought it was like a mustard. Okay. And the spicy
Spicy sriracha?
but yeah. And
Okay,
that's
think
it
you
for
want
me.
nuggets or strips? You want chicken nuggets or chicken strips?
Yeah.
Lemonade.
Gotcha.
And then can I have a chicken strip meal?
You want the chicken chop? 3.
Three.
And what for your drink?
Add a regular yogurt.
With no blueberries
Just
Gotcha. Do you
regular.
want the Coke or the granola?
for her.
Yeah.
Cookie. What else? Can I have a cookie? But could you make sure it's warm? Like, could you leave a note?
Yeah.
You can tell them up there.
I know,
too.
but they never do it. That's why I'm asking her to put the note, so it'll be already
Okay,
done.
and that's it. I appreciate you.
Gotcha. And then what was the name for the order?
Jay.
Got it.
Yeah.
And then
I'm
it'll
not
be
judging.
3703 up at the window for you.
Okay,
Okay,
thanks.
thank you.
My pleasure.
Alright. Bounce checking now. Account and make this color upset.
And you know what's weird?
So yeah guys, welcome back to the channel where I do a little mukbang vlog a day in our life. So make sure to stay tuned, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell, isn't it? The reason for that, we're gonna show you everything I will do every day. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. You get me?
No, wait a minute. We changed this. We're not gonna post every day. So now we're gonna be going live on TikTok in between those days. But you have to follow us on TikTok so you can get notified when we go live.
Right, so we'll probably be posting more on TikTok than YouTube. So make sure you go over to the TikTok channel as well and follow us. You feel me? So
Right.
please guys, that's all we're asking for, not much. So
Don't cost nothing.
we'll try to change it up a bit because we'll try work between our schedule. You
Right.
understand? So as I'm gonna say, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel because I have a whole lot of shit bang for y'all guys. So you know it, I'm hungry, me away on the food. So
Right,
let
I'm
me
hungry
for hurry
too.
for the
Steve
line.
hungry. Everybody hungry.
Hurry for the line. Excited because
Right.
y'all do our next video for you
I'm
guys.
excited because we're getting food. What?
I'm
I'm
excited
for real,
because I'm doing a videos for our
You guys.
followers.
Yeah.
Guys, and more on to the more on to
Say
the
hi.
like communicate with us more in the comment section, yo. Like
Be
say
more
anything, say
engaged.
what's up. You feel me? Like if you don't have a video idea, anything, like you want to follow up on Instagram.
TikTok. Oh, Facebook.
TikTok,
We have a Facebook
Facebook.
page too. I forgot.
I will post
Everything is
everywhere,
the same
guys.
thing. Jay and Lena.
Right, I will
on the
post
screen.
we'll post everywhere. You get me? So yeah guys, make sure you stay tuned to the video and we will see you when we start eating. Peace! It's working now.
Yeah. Here you go. Thank you.
So I wait on the food guys. I'm hungry. Them need for hurry up now. Me say I take so long with the food, yo. I'm checking the account and make Mr. upset. You just scared?
Yeah, I did. I wasn't paying attention.
Yo, digs.
I wasn't paying attention. Thanks. Oh, what'd you say?
What's thing fries there? From a nugget in this one.
For real?
Yeah. You can put it in a different bag.
You put the fries in a different bag
For the
kids. It's not a fry in the kids bag.
It's not a fry. No,
No,
it's just
those are
a soy
nuggets.
in the nugget. Here.
What's this? Oh,
Stay
I didn't
here.
need the cup carrier. Oh, it take
Till
up
the
too
money
much
come
space in the car.
This is strawberry.
This
I mean,
yours. Look,
yogurt.
it's still on the thing. And this is supposed to be a medium.
What?
This is supposed to be a medium.
Medium?
Yeah.
Okay.
What the receipt? Let me see the
Was it,
receipt. This the kids. It's supposed to be 2 regulars and 1 kids meal.
Here.
Yeah, Sprite, no ice. Here.
This thing fry? Ooh, fresh guys, fresh.
Yeah. It's a good medium. This thing drink though.
Thing here.
There's srirachas in here. Sorry.
Right here.
Is it a fork? It is a fork. Two fries.
This mine.
Thank you. Thanks, you too. That's it?
To eat it. That's what you're supposed to do with it.
You got the parfait?
For the baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a strawberry in there.
It ain't no cookies on it?
No.
It's supposed to be.
Look.
Wow. I didn't know because I had
warm.
to pull it off.
One cookie. Yes.
He just spilled his nuggets.
Trying to make a thumbnail for y'all.
Right, everywhere, and we still don't have the thumbnail.
You watch it for the video and laugh, huh? You still laugh though. And I hurt me fuck.
I'm gonna take them cold too. What?
I'm putting the line, man.
I know, them
So
cold.
right, this is how I do my sandwich, my food. Honey, what is it called, baby?
Honey said, damn, that's a lot of fucking sauce.
Sriracha.
That shit about to be hot.
Spicy sriracha. Am I saying it right? So sweet and spicy sriracha and honey barbecue
That's a lot.
sauce. You see me? This make it slap on the spicy deluxe.
You did honey roasted barbecue?
Yeah.
It's over there.
Woo
Take
wee.
a bite. It's dripping everywhere. You're gonna make a mess.
Yeah, I'm ready to go home.
What happened? You
Every
spilled it?
fucking way I'm
I don't know why you put that liquidy ass sauce on there like that. You know it's liquid. That was a bad idea.
It's dripping everywhere. The meat running everywhere.
You put too much sauce. You understand?
The bread just need to stay in one place, yo.
The sauce. You put too much sauce. The sauce is liquid, like, so it's making it slippery.
Oh my god.
Where is the cookies? Where is the cookies? Where is the cookies? Yum, yum, yum.
So it's. I say it is.
Don't do it.
What happened?
Ain't the OnStar thing gonna pop up and say, do you need help to your current location? You pushed it?
Yeah.
You're an asshole. Why would you do that?
Ain't nothing happening.
Eco. Here is your forkity, forkity, fork. Forkity, fork.
It's not. You know what none of this?
What's that?
Sriracha.
No, that's too much
and
mess.
spicy sriracha.
Nah.
It's too runny, huh?
Right.
You have to use a little bit.
But I need a lot. Yes.
I got bored.
Okay.
You hear what he said?
Mm-hmm.
What?
You got a fart.
That will stink your fuck.
Hand me a bag.
Hurry up and fart, man, and squeeze it up, man.
No,
I'm here for real.
you need to put a napkin up under that so
It's
it
not
don't
gonna
seep through the
seep through.
holes.
It's not that much. Come on now, Lena. You're being extra now.
You being extra.
It's too hot right there. How is it gonna seep up through
It's
there?
already coming out.
Where? Slapping the head in there. Where you want?
A bag.
Trash bag?
Yeah.
Keep it on your side.
Wait a minute.
Come back in and make me have no space over here so to put the cloth. Yo.
Daddy,
Nah, I make the same thing right now. Yes?
why can't
Okay,
Turn
guys.
around
So
and
let's
just say, hey.
Love. It's not funny.
I'm sorry. Come here. Give me a kiss.
No.
Let me kiss it for you.
No,
Let me
stop,
kiss
man.
it for you.
That shit hurt for real. Now you laughing.
You listen. Let me tell y'all this. You can. I can say
Stop.
say I pinch him, like I pinch him, like you know I pinch him. And I look at him like as I'm pinching him, he's not even gonna react. Like he just sit there and look back at me. Then after I'm done, he'll say something. But like, so I don't know if it really hurts. So just now that probably didn't even hurt. You understand?
No.
Okay, if I pinch you, you're not gonna say nothing.
When you wasn't it, okay.
But if he pinched me, I'm gonna say ow, 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 ow. You understand?
You remember that day when you fell and fucked your toe up?
Oh my God.
I didn't laugh.
But it hurt. But
I didn't laugh though. I tried to make sure you
laugh after we
I
pulled
didn't.
off.
No, I did
After
not
I got in
laugh.
the car, we pulled off.
I just kept saying smart comment like, why you trying to kill yourself? That's how I said. I never did that laugh off of you.
But you did laugh eventually.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
See, I run come to the car 100 miles per hour. Run! I don't know what the blood clot like somebody I run out of.
I was trying I was trying to get to the car and I didn't realize I had on slides.
But I was messing with you though.
It hurt like
Remember, I tried to. It was getting dark, guys. So she, I walk come down. I'm gonna go say, hey, me bumbo clap. Did I? What me do? I don't remember what me do, but I saw remember that. We mentioned something about dog, right? What the traction controller? You trying to? But yeah, guys, me bumbo clap. Me there, me I wait for another the car saying, I'm say, alright, babes. Or if I come on our car. I don't remember what I said. I must go say something. But I must mention something about dog. Me pussy clot. 100 miles per hour she a run come.
Is that what you said?
You see how she reach close to the car? Run up! Once she come in a tear rip up. Mommy in tour.
I was bleeding.
Oh, is it 392? Tour pop up, rip up.
I was
It's
bleeding.
a pussy clot. Tour rip right up.
Man, it was blood everywhere.
And I never laugh, you know. But a while ago, I nearly knock out myself and I peel laughing. Everything good, man. Yeah, no.
What happened?
Okay, that's there. That I feel in the zone. Going to look like a kid's zone for you. Looking on the back.
I see, look at it.
We need to clean out this car, yeah. Yeah, the car interior nice as fuck. But the son I have kids. Let me tell you this. Just when I buy a nice sporty car, make sure you have a next car for like the family. You get me? So because
so like this,
truck,
so
this is a family car. But I'm just saying, but this is a BMW though.
So,
but I mean,
it's a truck. So
no, but when I say family car, I mean like a van. Like a nice van.
Not driving a van.
Like
How about like
a minivan at 2003?
No.
That's
How about Pacifica?
Oh yeah,
like the new one. The new ones don't really like a van.
The new one's nice. No one buy her some of this one. Like from the store?
Yeah.
Cause she like it. Remember what
Greek. That's not regular yogurt though. That's
hey, if you come to Hawaii, make sure you go to this one restaurant, Cedar Creek Grill. And what the next one name, babes?
The Red Steakhouse.
The Red Steakhouse. Very. Fucking up. Get in the crib and you fuck.
Look at her. Now look at him. He went to the back. He gonna walk to the side. Watch how happy she get. She funny as fuck. Look at her, happy as fuck. He in the front of the car now. Wow.
Hey!
You funny as fuck, both of y'all.
Hey mama, you playing with me? It's cold out there.
She happy as
She
fuck.
was cracking up.
Yeah. What happened?
That shit look like it hurt.
What?
The teeth coming up.
Oh. So yeah.
So
we
yeah,
just
guys,
finished
it's cold as
cleaning the
fuck.
car.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Looking for something fun to do.
She dropped the bottom.
Ooh, baby. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, and leave a comment down below. And see you on the next video. You want to say something to them?
Follow us on TikTok
I was
and
playing with you.
Facebook. We'll be posting on TikTok. We'll be going live on TikTok, and we'll be doing giveaways every week. But you have to be following us, and you have to hit the bell and be notified so you know and you get updated when we do those giveaways.
One more after the video.
It's over here.